A rectangle and a square. In the Cartesian plane, a square LMNO is drawn. LMNO. This square. Point E is chosen on line segment LM, but E is not one of the M points. It's not L and it's not M, somewhere along here. It's not one of the endpoints of the line segment LM. A line EO is drawn, E to O. A line MG is drawn parallel to EO with point G on the y-axis. Point G is on the y-axis and it's below the square. A rectangle EFGL is formed by drawing line segments EF and GF. EF and GF, you end up with this rectangle. Show that rectangle EFGL is equivalent to square LMNO, regardless of where point E is located. Angle LEO, L to E to O, this angle up here, is congruent to L to M to G. LEO is congruent to LMG. So we're trying to show that this angle is the same as that angle. And to prove that, EO is parallel to MG. That's given. LM, this line, cuts through those two parallel lines, so it's a transversal line. And that makes this angle, the LEO, to angle LMG. LEO is corresponding to angle LMG. With parallel lines, corresponding angles are congruent. We've shown that these two angles are congruent. Also, angle ELO is congruent to angle MLG. Because it's the same angle, they are congruent. Triangle OLE is similar to triangle GLM by angle-angle similarity. You have angle-angle similarity, the corresponding sides are proportional. Look at this short leg, L to E. This short leg compared to its long leg in the small triangle, it should be proportional to the short leg in the big triangle compared to the long leg in the big triangle, because corresponding sides in similar triangles are proportional. The short leg is L to E, the long leg is in the small triangle, L to O. Talking about this triangle. L to E to L to O is the same as L to M over L to G. We cross multiply. That gives me L to E times L to G, which is the area of the rectangle. L to E times L to G is the area of the rectangle. L to O times L to M is the area of the square. We've shown that the area of the rectangle, EFGL, is equal to the area of the square LMNO. Rectangle EFGL and LMNO are equivalent. And that's it for a rectangle and a square question. Have a good day.